our channel. Today we're going to do mermaid video. No, mermaid. You know there's a cat mermaid. Yeah. But we're going to do just mermaid tail, right? Yeah. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow more videos and let's start. Okay, first we need to do ocean background, so we use these colors.
We're gonna use these kind of brushes to do the background so it can be beautiful. And then when it dries out, we're going to do the...
We're doing the last corner, and after that we need to wait when it will be dried out. Now we draw seahorse. Now we create outline for tail. We're going to use those pretty colors
For the mermaid tail.
Yes. And now, time for coloring inside. Now we're going to do seaweed part.
Which is mermaid like seaweeds.
Yeah, and we're going to use these colors.
After seaweed part, and we need some a little bit of white.
Adding some bubbles. Time for scales. Now it's time to add glitter. Yay! Glitter! Even more glitter! Ooh!
It's
so
so pretty. I hope everybody
pretty.
will like it.
It's so pretty. Look,
We
it's
made
shining, glittery.
Me and Kat made this.
We did it together. It's so shiny, so sparkly. I hope you like it too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye bye.